Hello, my name's Jade. This is How to App on iOS. It's episode 2. Come walk with me. Let's do it. Today's music that we're listening to is by the amazing Frank Terzo. Frank's very inspirational. Not only is he a great musician, but he really cares about people in this community. Not only that, away from this music community, he really cares for a great many people who are really in need of help. He's a very thoughtful human being who writes great music. And that's why you're hearing him today on episode 2 of Walk With Me. Let's Oge. So I'm not going to lie, today was a lot harder to get motivated to do this. After my interview with Ron, I was tired. I had to have a little lay down, and the pain in my legs that I suffer from flared up. I fell asleep. Unfortunately, I woke up covered in blood, so I'd been bleeding through my sleep, and it was especially hard to get motivated to do this today. But we pushed through. Today I'm going to attempt to do 3 kilometers. 1.5 one way, 1.5 back. Taking a slightly different route, not going around the lake, going around one side, and then straight through to an extended path along the river. I'm now walking along a continuation of the huge lake back there. It's now formed into a creek down here. Unfortunately, we've got a bit of traffic on this side. But as you can see, it just goes on forever, this place. It's absolutely beautiful. As you can see, some beautiful trees around here. I mean, they must be hundreds of years old. It's quite incredible. I mean, they tell just amazing stories just by looking at them. Kind of like this community. Every day, I'm blown away by people's stories, people's encouragement of each other. The way people just continuously push through, make music, be creative, support each other. It's really an amazing thing. Totally worth fighting for, don't you think? Makes me want to walk harder. 100%. I really love this part of the walk. This beautiful turn leads down to some, really unexpected places. Much like life. You never know what turns are coming and where you're going to end up. It's pretty exciting. So I had a break, stopped at 1.5k, had a drink, got the drone out, did some drone footage. And as I was bringing the drone back Man, you wouldn't believe, a huge gust of wind came and literally took it off course. And I swear, I've not seen a gust of wind like this in my life. And took it into this shrub, into the trees, and it's gone. I'm not gonna lie, I'm super disappointed. Can't find it. I was close, but it's run out of battery. It's gone, and it's in such long, dense shrub. When you can see behind me, it's like up to here, and with no way to get it to make sound, and with me going in there, and the GPS losing even side of me, it's gone. That's a lot of money gone just to lose some weight. Do I want to continue doing this? I don't know. A few years ago, my anger was pretty bad. I would have lost my shit. I'd be losing my shit right now. But I haven't. Because I'm alive. Do I want to get another one? Absolutely. Am I going to put this thing on hold? Probably. I don't really know. I'm feeling pretty shit. I'm not feeling like healthy or anything like that. But we're moving forward. We're going home. We're going to finish this, and it's going to be 3 kilometers. I think I'm going to try and work out what to do, because super disappointing. Ironically, one of the things I was going to talk about today whilst on this walk was that it's actually not so hard to get up and do this and go for the walk. That's the easy part. The struggle has been in the last 2 days of just doing this, getting the equipment ready to film it, have a backpack to have everything on me, to stop and take B-roll. That's been the pain. And as it turns out, it's been the thing that's cost me this. So, it's quite ironic that that has turned out to be the case of what happened today. But you know, I work really hard to be able to afford that drone. That took a fair bit of money and a fair bit of work on YouTube. I can get it back. I can get another one. I think if I do, when I get another one, I'm gonna get a better one. So the first one I got, it's really nice. Kind of like a beginner thing. I can't hide the disappointment, but that is life, isn't it? We're faced with exhilarating highs and crushing lows in the blink of an eye. It happens. It's how you react and how you move forward that's the most important thing. It's the resolve. It's your character. It's who you are. That's what's most important. And what's been a very eventful day, for not the good reasons that we all hope. I'm currently sitting at 2.6 kilometres. We're going to make our 3 kilometre walk today. So an improvement over yesterday. My heart rate's currently sitting at 144. I don't think that's because of the walking. I think that's stress. But I did have a break, which I didn't plan to. I had to stop the timer. So we're currently at 40 minutes this has taken. But I spent an hour searching for my drone to no avail. So let's take that into account. It's hot, let me tell you that. Whew. Well, here we are at the end. 3 kilometers today. Whew. Tough day. Life throws you curveballs, man, all the time. It's how we respond to them is what matters, I guess. Character. Push forward. Do what makes you happy. Mistakes make you better. And we will all rise together. Today's music was by Frank Terzo. This has been Walk With Me. It's been a pleasure walking with you. See you later. Boom.
And I'll save somebody. This is our new world. It's just you and me.